taking off this ugly ass tag and putting on a nice one. It's probably gonna fucking increase the value of this truck he has. There you go. Ugh. Looks beautiful. See, now this truck is badass. This truck is gonna fuck shit up. Alright, you can cut it. You can cut it.